Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. I'm just going to be showing you how I make my yams with marshmallows. Okay, so first you boil your sweet potatoes, then you mash them up, then you add butter, cinnamon, nutmeg, and brown sugar, and then you mix everything up. Okay, so after you add the sugar and you mix it up, you want to make sure you taste your food before you put it in the pan because you want it to be sweet. If you don't like it too sweet, just add less sugar. If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure you hit that like button and also make sure you subscribe so you can see more videos. Okay, so now it's time to put it in a pan. Then I'm just going to be adding some marshmallows on top, and then I'm going to put it in the oven and show you guys how it looks once it's done.